Hey girlies, welcome back to my channel. So I'm so sorry, we did have like a little bit of a Liddyka dry spell here on this channel. I got super busy. There was New York Fashion Week and a lot of just like random crazy stuff that popped up last minute. I told you guys I'd be back for good and I think I'm pretty much clear for the rest of the year, let's hope, because I'm exhausted. Anyways, Boxycharm just sent me their, what month is it? Oh my god, it's it's September. So they sent me their September box and I'm really excited because getting my Boxycharm is literally the highlight of my month. Like, you get so spoiled and they give me things that I didn't even know that I desperately needed. There's always like one thing from every Boxycharm that I get that is like my, I don't know, like holy grail, like religion in makeup. So let's see what amazing products they sent this month. I'm gonna use my tweezers to open this box because I can't find my scissors right now. Yay! The theme for this month is wild flowers. So I'm gonna be expecting a lot of like earthy things, maybe organic things, maybe some festival themed stuff. Let's see what's inside. All right, oh my god. The first thing in this box is a Laura Geller full size baked blush and brighten baked blush, and there's like a little bit of a highlighter in there too, as you can see. This is very pretty, and as a matter of fact I forgot to put on my blush today. Oh my god, look at all that pigment it's picking up. Let's see how this stuff works. Yes honey, do you guys see that? It just like gave my cheeks a pop of color that I did not have before. I'm obsessed. Wow. You know, another thing I love about Boxycharm is that they give you stuff that like you actually want in the colors that you actually want. Like, I love like peach toned blushes and this is like the perfect color for my face. So I just love that about Boxycharm. I'm not getting like some like random like purple blush or like black lipstick or anything like that. You know, they're always colors that are just on trend. Okay, so the next thing in my box, as I was saying, this is a black roll-on liquid eyeliner. Again, it's in black, it's not in brown, it's not in gold. Like, Ipsy sends me like green eyeliner. I'm like, I will never use this. Boxycharm sends me black eyeliner, which is exactly the color that eyeliner should be. And it is a roll-on eyeliner. Okay, so this is from Butter London. It says Shake Me Up. Let's see how this rolling thing works. Oh my god, it's like a little roller ball at the tip and you just like roll it. Oh my god. Guys. That is so fun. It literally rolls on your eyes. Damn. Wow, I love that. This is creative, you guys. I really like that. Up next, we have Lorac Pro Liquid Lipstick, and I was gonna say I needed this, but I am not a fan of the color. I was gonna pop it open. It's purple. So sometimes there's stuff that you're like, whatever about. This is one of those things, but I do love the brand Lorac. It's still a full size. It's amazing. You know, maybe for special events or photo shoots, I would use something like this. Oh my god, you won't believe what's in my hand right now. This is a brush set. There's 3 eye brushes in here, and they all look like exactly what I need. So we have a flat brush, which is perfect for packing on concealer or for shimmery eyeshadows or just to define like anything on your face. This is perfect. We have a flat brush, and this is perfect for defining your brows or applying eyeshadow on your lower lid or cleaning up your lips. If you messed up, you can just put some foundation or concealer on it and just swipe that off. And we have my favorite brush shape, which is a fluffy all over brush. I use this for my transition colors, just to like put something on my crease. I hoard these kinds of brushes because I love them. Anything that's fluffy and shaped like this is amazing. And the last thing in my Boxycharm is a full size eyeshadow palette. This thing is heavy and it's huge. This is from Pretty Vulgar Cosmetics and it's the Nightingale eyeshadow palette. Let's do this reveal together. All right, 3, 2, 1. Oh my god, you guys. That is so pretty. These colors are so on theme and earthy. It goes perfectly with the wildflower theme of the box. So this is just like a gorgeous palette. It has your perfect mesh of like shimmery colors and mattes. The black looks like a super pigmented matte color and the shimmers are just like gorgeous. It's like all natural colors. Like neutrals are always perfect in an eyeshadow palette. In this box, I loved absolutely everything. Even the lipstick, like it's not like an everyday shade for me, but it's still like a full-size liquid lipstick. It is in a pretty color and I'm sure that I'll use it one day. So thank you guys so much for watching my Boxycharm unboxing. If you want to learn more about Boxycharm, I'll go ahead and link that information right down below. And if you guys already got your Boxycharm, go ahead and comment down below with what you got this month, because I think they're doing different boxes now. So I'm really excited to see what you guys got. So thank you again for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video.